Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing, and today we're looking at Ralph Breaks the Internet. Now this comes out on Blu-ray and 4K and DVD on February 26th, so this is about 2 weeks early. I've actually already experienced all the content that's on this disc through the digital copy, which I've already reviewed on Laughing Place. We'll put a link to that in the description for this video, so if you're interested in seeing more about all of the bonus features, we've got a lot of information about each and every one of them there. But as you can see, this is the slipcover. It is very reflective. It is embossed, particularly the characters, so pretty much all the way around when you're rubbing your finger over it, you will feel that. The title's embossed as well. We do get a sticker that advertises the over an hour of bonus features and the connectivity through Movies Anywhere, which is Disney owned. And then the side, both sides have the title really big. Both use the exact same image of Ralph with a mouse icon clicking down on his head. That was, I think, from the teaser posters. They've recycled some of that artwork there. And then the back is right here, and Disney has recently been simplifying the backs of boxes. You'll notice the description for the film is quite small. Even the listing of bonus features, it's kind of ironic that on the front they're telling you there's an hour of bonus features, because on the back they're not listing anywhere near as many of them. They call out the deleted scenes. There's a featurette series called How We Broke the Internet, and so they're listing that off. It says Easter eggs. What that really is about a 3-minute featurette that points out some of the hidden items in the film. But what it doesn't point out is there is a really great bonus feature that's almost 15 minutes long just about the music. So it's about the score, the Alan Menken song, the Imagine Dragons song, so that's a really great piece that they don't even call out at all on the box. And I'm trying to remember what else there was. There's quite a few deleted scenes, at least 30 minutes of deleted scenes, most of them in storyboard form, but there's a couple in full animation, so if you're a big fan of deleted scenes or just seeing the behind-the-scenes process of making a Disney animated feature, you're going to get that through these bonus features. We will slide the case out, and underneath just replicates the artwork from the slipcover on pretty much all accounts. There's the back of the case there. Let's crack it open, see what's inside. All right, opening it up. I'm going to cover up the code because I might need that. That is the digital copy through Movies Anywhere. It does point out that there is an exclusive bonus feature. That one is all about the animators actually going on a racetrack to learn to drive so that they could animate the characters in the Slaughter Race game within the film. And that's a short one. It wasn't as thrilling as some of the others, but that's available there. There's the backside of that Movies Anywhere code just explaining all of the providers that you can possibly link your codes through. The other one is for Disney Movie Club, and this one appears to be new. All of the flyers that we've seen recently have been Coco branded, but this one switches to Incredibles 2. So we've got Jack on that side. On the back, it has Dash running past a stack of Blu-rays with Incredibles 2 pretty much front and center. In terms of the discs, you have your DVD here and your Blu-ray here. No disc art in the standard release. The 4K disc will likely have disc art, and if you are a big fan of disc art, Best Buy is the only place that I've seen that actually comes with disc art if you get their steelbook. And they do have a really cool looking steelbook for Ralph Breaks the Internet that has kind of the internet rainbow loading color wheel that you'll sometimes get spinning. So that is a nice set if you're looking for a more collectible version of Ralph Breaks the Internet. Definitely check out Best Buy. I believe Target has their digibook. February 26th, it's also the same day that The Little Mermaid comes out on the Walt Disney Signature Collection. We should be receiving our copy of that soon. So be sure to follow our YouTube channel if you're interested in the unboxing video for the Walt Disney Signature Collection release of The Little Mermaid. And thank you so much for watching. We hope that you guys enjoy Ralph Breaks the Internet on February 26th. Have a great day. Bye.